Hi guys, my name is LETY McCloud, owner of the organic cleaning machine, and today we are in a new client home and we're going to show you how to clean the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to clean your oven. After you pick up as much as you can on the food that's there, you're going to spray your oven cleaner. Spray it on the side and at the door. As you know, here at OCM, we love to use our buckets with water and Dawn dish soap and ammonia. We're going to use some of the magic erasers right here on the top of the door. But then after that, you're going to use your blade. And your blade, with a lot of careful, you're going to do this process and make all this burning food out of the way. Okay, so now we're just going to do the edge with the magic eraser all over, and we're just going to clean up with a paper towel where we're doing with the magic eraser. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos because they can be very helpful for you, for your friends, for your family, loved ones. And keep watching us, subscribe, and we'll see you next time, okay? Be well.